Finding the best tablet for photo and video editing in 2024 is all about securing a device designed specifically for content creators. To me, what sets a tablet apart for these tasks is its ability to deliver a screen where colors pop and draw you in, or its sheer power to effortlessly edit large, stunning 4K videos. Leading tablets in this space are like your trusted creative friends. They have crystal clear displays that enhance your work, highly sensitive pens that capture every subtle touch, and enough battery life to keep you in your creative flow all day long. We have listed the best tablet for photo and video editing of 2024 for you, so watch until the end. Number 5. Lenovo Yoba Tab P11 Pro Gen 2. This budget-friendly tablet is an excellent option for photo and video editing, introducing a solid Android experience in this field. The Tab P11 Pro features a stunning 11.2-inch display with a resolution of 2560 by 1536 pixels, a 2.5K OLED HDR10+ panel, and a 120Hz refresh rate. This makes it perfect for watching your favorite streamer or playing games. The tablet also boasts a quad-speaker setup tuned by JBL and supports Dolby Atmos for an impressive surround sound experience under the hood. The Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 is powered by a MediaTek Companion 1300T processor combined with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This provides solid mid-range performance. Lenovo also packs the Tab P11 Pro with an 8200 mAh battery, claiming over 14 hours of video playback. For editing, the performance of the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 is adequate and impressive for its price. The quality of the display and decent processing speeds help with this. If you are serious about content consumption, the Tab P11 Pro is a great choice. While there are some multitasking limitations, considering the price, it is well worth it. Pros: stunning 11.2-inch 2.5K OLED HDR10+ display, 120Hz refresh rate, quad speakers tuned by JBL with Dolby Atmos support, solid mid-range performance with MediaTek Companion 1300T processor, 6GB RAM, and 128GB storage, long battery life with over 14 hours of video playback. Cons: some multitasking limitations, mid-range performance may not suit high-end professional needs. Overall, the Lenovo Yoba Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 is a fantastic budget-friendly option for those looking for a good tablet for photo and video editing. Its impressive display and sound quality make it perfect for content consumption. Number 5. Apple iPad Air 5th generation. It represents a significant advancement in the world of tablets, offering several much-needed upgrades compared to its predecessor. While it may not match the sheer power of the iPad Pro devices, it remains an exceptional choice, particularly for hobbyist video editors and individuals seeking a portable tablet for on-the-go use. Released in 2022, the 5th generation iPad Air boasts a brilliant 10.9-inch high-resolution display, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether you're a filmmaker reviewing rough cuts, a studio student studying film techniques, or a videographer piecing together video highlights, the display's clarity and color accuracy ensure that every detail shines through, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Powered by the impressive M1 chip paired with either 8GB of RAM and 64GB or 256GB of storage, the iPad Air delivers a speedy and seamless editing experience. It ensures fast access to files and provides ample space for storing all your projects, ranging from e-learning videos to time-lapse assemblies. In terms of design, the iPad Air features a sleek and modern aesthetic, with evenly distributed bezels around the screen and high-quality speakers that deliver immersive sound. Additionally, its compatibility with keyboard and stylus accessories, similar to those designed for the iPad Pro, allows it to function effectively as a small laptop-like device, digital notepad, or drawing tablet. Overall, the iPad Air caters to individuals who prioritize versatility and performance without compromising on portability. Whether you're editing, creating art, designing, or working on various projects, the iPad Air offers an excellent balance of functionality and features, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of users. Number 4. Asus ROG Flow Z13. It hailed as the best premium tablet for photo and video editing. This powerhouse device is tailor-made for professionals who demand speed and muscle in their editing tools. Imagine having the flexibility to sketch directly on a touchscreen with active stylus support, capturing every nuance of your creative vision. Under the hood, the ROG Flow Z13 is equipped with an Intel Core i9 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, ensuring that you slice through editing tasks like butter, even with the most demanding software software. Lightning-fast rendering times and smooth playback, even with 4K or 8K video files, are no challenge for this device. With 16 gigabytes of RAM and a hopping 1 TB of SSD storage, load times are practically non-existent and multitasking becomes a breeze. Say goodbye to the spinning wheel of doom when switching between editing apps and previewing your masterpieces. Cooling is crucial, especially with all that power, and Asus has you covered with their Rogue intelligent cooling system. This system keeps things chill, allowing you to push the device to its limits without overheating worries. And let's not forget about the display. It's a stunner. With a Nebula display, you're treated to crystal clear, color-accurate visuals on a QHD screen. The high refresh rate, combined with 100% DCI-P3 coverage and Pantone validation, ensures that your edits look exactly as intended under any lighting condition. In summary, the Asus ROG Flow Z13 is top-tier stuff, delivering unparalleled performance and features for photo and video editing professionals who demand the best. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. When it comes to 2-in-1 devices, the Surface series is unbeatable. These powerful, sleek tablets run on an OS designed for productivity, especially for video and photo editing. This incredibly capable and powerful tablet can easily replace a laptop and make an excellent investment for creators and graphic designers. The overall design of the Surface Pro 9 is mostly unchanged from the outgoing model, meaning you still get a 13-inch panel with a 2880 by 1920 resolution and support for up to a 120Hz refresh rate. The Intel 12th Gen i7 processor, coupled with a robust 8 GB of RAM, makes multitasking a breeze. This Microsoft tablet also boasts an expansive 1 TB storage, ensuring you never run out of space even when dealing with large video files. You also get Intel's Iris Xe integrated graphics. Microsoft claims the battery life can reach up to 19 hours of use, whether you're browsing, watching, or typing. The Surface Pro 9 also supports the signature Pro keyboard and Slim Pen 2, though they are not included in the price. One final point, this is the latest Surface Pro, and it's significantly more expensive than the previous generation, the Surface Pro 8. According to the specs, the differences between it and its predecessor are not that great, so you might want to consider last year's model if you want a great tablet for less. Pros: sleek design with a 13-inch high-resolution display, up to 120Hz refresh rate, powerful Intel 12th Gen i7 processor, 8 GB RAM, and 1 TB storage, up to 19 hours of battery life. Supports signature Pro keyboard and Slim Pen 2. Cons: expensive, especially compared to the previous model. Keyboard and pen are sold separately. Overall, the Surface Pro 9 is a fantastic choice for those in need of a powerful, versatile 2-in-1 device. It's perfect for video and photo editing, multitasking, and more. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Surface Pro 8 might be worth considering. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. In the dynamic world of video editing and content creation, the right tools can make all the difference. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, with its expansive Super AMOLED display and robust Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, promises an unparalleled editing experience for Android users. The tablet boasts a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED screen that's vibrant, bright, and beautiful. This expansive display, combined with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensures smooth playback for video journalists, vloggers, and travel enthusiasts, making on-the-go reviews a delightful experience. But it's not just about the display. The heart of this tablet lies the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, made for Galaxy, complemented by 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This combination allows it to handle multiple tasks simultaneously with ease. Like last year, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra features a robust 11,200 mAh battery. Adding to its arsenal of features is the included S Pen. With its precision and responsiveness, it becomes an indispensable tool for animation artists, graphic designers, and even educators. The S Pen's capabilities make it an essential accessory for detailed work and creativity. Pros: expansive and vibrant 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, large 11,200 mAh battery, included S Pen with high precision and responsiveness. Cons: can be expensive, large size may not be suitable for everyone. Overall, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a fantastic option for content creators and designers due to its large display, smooth performance, and the highly functional S Pen. It's perfect for those who need a powerful and versatile tablet for their creative and professional needs. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch. This tablet is powerful enough to handle labor-intensive tasks like video editing, photo editing, and even gaming on the go. Equipped with Apple's new M2 chip, the iPad Pro can handle large 6K video files without any issues. Adobe's Premiere Rush app is well optimized for the iPad, and DaVinci Resolve for iPad is now available too. The 12.9-inch screen is truly beautiful, featuring a liquid Retina XDR mini LED LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and up to 1600 nits peak brightness. With up to 2 TB of storage, there's plenty of room for your photos. If you want to use a stylus for precision edits, the latest iPad Pro supports the Apple Pencil 2, sold separately, and offers a new feature called Hover. This means your stylus is now detected up to 12 millimeters above the screen, allowing you to see a preview of your mark before you make it. Pros: high performance thanks to the M2 chip, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and Dolby Vision support, up to 2 TB of storage, Apple Pencil 2 and Hover feature. Cons: quite expensive. Apple Pencil and other accessories are sold separately. This is a truly powerful and impressive tablet. It's perfect for those who do a lot of photo and video editing. Its portability and performance make it ideal for professional use. However, its high price may not be suitable for everyone, and the separate sale of accessories can strain your budget. Still, if you have the budget and are looking for a powerful tablet, I highly recommend it. Thank you for your interest and for watching this video. That concludes our list of the best tablet for photo and video editing. I hope it provided you with both knowledge and enjoyment. If you liked our content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest uploads. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.